Walmart shares jumping in the after hours as the retailer announces a new fintech startup. Kate Rooney's got the details. Hey, Kate.
Hey, Melissa. Walmart is launching a new standalone fintech company. The retail giant is partnering with venture capital firm Ribbit to develop what they call modern and affordable financial solutions. This is going to be a separate company that's majority owned by Walmart, with financial products for employees and for customers. Walmart's CFO and U.S. CEO will sit on that company's board. And Walmart says that they'll bring on more independent industry experts. They may also acquire or partner with some other fintechs. No word yet on exactly when that will launch and what it's going to look like, whether it's more banking products or payments. Walmart's partner here, we should say, Ribbit Capital, is one of the best-known VCs in financial technology. Its current portfolio includes Robinhood and Credit Karma, as well as Affirm, which is expected to go public this week. Melissa, back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Kate Rooney. Dan Nathan, we looked at Walmart in very different ways since there was that report that it was interested in buying, in part, TikTok. And now look at it. It's in fintech.
Yeah, well, fintech makes a lot more sense than TikTok as far as I'm concerned. When you think about their customer base, you think about how they may not be adequately served by existing financial institutions. With Walmart's reach, it gives them a great opportunity partnering with a fintech investment firm like Ribbit. I mean, it seems like a home run, just optionality to me.
All right, let's move on. Bitcoin plunging 7% today despite its epic rally over the past 2 months. Our next guest says if the cryptocurrency flies or dives, Square will still thrive. Let's bring in Dan Dolev, the analyst over at Mizuho, with this call. Dan, great to have you with us.
Thank you, Melissa. Always a pleasure being here.
How does that work? Because you're estimating that if Bitcoin reaches $100,000 a coin by year end, gross profits could be up 9 times. This is a gross profits for the Cash App. But if it's 10,000 by year end, it could still double. How does that math work?
Exactly. So we did some work. We looked all the way back to 2017. And what we found out is that the revenue from Bitcoin for Square continues to go up, even in periods where Bitcoin actually doesn't go up, right? So right now we've had a massive rally since December or even November. So that's easy to think about Bitcoin going to 100,000. But historically, even in periods where it was going down, the gross profit from Bitcoin has been going up. And the reason for that is twofold. One, there's more users actually using or trading Bitcoin on the Cash App. And two, the number of transactions per user is going up. So what we've said in the note is that even if Bitcoin goes up to 100,000 or stays at 30,000 or 10,000, Square will still benefit from it.
Do the dynamics change if the people who are on the Cash App trading, quote unquote, trading Bitcoin actually don't trade as much and they simply hold as Bitcoin goes higher or lower for that matter?
Yeah, obviously. So it has to do with the engagement that's going up because of the Bitcoin volatility. So as Bitcoin stays very volatile, I actually think it boosts engagement. So if Bitcoin just stays at a certain price and does not move, that wouldn't be as good for the engagement on the app, not just Square, but pretty much everyone else that's offering Bitcoin trading.
Right. You've done work also on PayPal and its relationship to Bitcoin. Do you see the same sorts of trends, or is PayPal more vulnerable to the volatility in Bitcoin?
No, absolutely. We're seeing the exact same trends on PayPal. The only difference between PayPal and Square is that PayPal's offering just started in November. What we saw in November is that nearly 20% of the user base has already started trading 2 weeks out of the gate. So I would imagine this number is much bigger now. I would expect the exact same trends to work for PayPal, with the one difference is that Square's offering is much more broad-based, which means that the engagement on the Cash App, right? We're talking about the Cash App. The engagement on the Cash App has much more meaning to other products like stock trading, like P2P, which is on the PayPal app or Venmo. It's still yet more limited right now, but they're working on it, and you should expect more and more products to come there as well.
Dan, thank you.
You're welcome.
Dan Dolev of Mizuho. Guy Adami, simple question, PayPal or Square?
Yeah, I think, honestly, PayPal, I probably would have given you a different answer 2 weeks ago, but Square traded up to 246, I think, on December 22nd, just did it again on January 8th. So short-term double top at these levels, PayPal over Square, Mel.
Same to you, Tim.
It'd probably be Square. I hate the price, I hate the valuation, but it's a would you rather. I have to give you an answer. I do think the Cash App, the stickiness, the cross-selling, Square clearly has not only an ecosystem, but a very loyal following, and their ability to monetize this group is proven. It does seem to be overly hinged to Bitcoin pricing right now.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.